Number 3 reads, an appliance repairman charges $60 for a service call plus an additional $40 per hour to repair appliances. A wants you to write a function to represent the situation. When you see the word function, you want to make sure that you use the fancy notation f parentheses x parentheses, or that's red f of x. Okay, now that's what the word function means. Remember, function and equation are the same thing. Function just has the fancy notation. Now, how can you write $60 for a service call plus $40 per hour? Well, that would be $60 plus 40x, where x is equal to your hours. From there, you need to make a function table to find the total cost for the following hours on an appliance. So you have your x values and you have your y values. If you plugged in 1, you have 60 plus 40 times 1, which they will charge you $100. If you need him there for 2 hours, that would be 60 plus 40 times 2, and that would give you $140. 3 hours would be 60 plus 40 times 3, and that would give you $180. And if he's there for 4 hours, that would be 60 plus 40 times 4, and that would be $220. Okay. Part C says to graph the function, is the function continuous or discrete? Explain. So if I were to graph the point 1, 100, 2, 140, 3, 180, 4, 220. Now, is the function continuous or discrete? Remember, continuous means that he is going to work for a partial of an hour and only get paid for partial of an hour. Unfortunately, that's not how repairmen work. If you work into the hour, you're paying for an entire hour, which would then result into this data being discrete. Okay, you are paying for whole hours. You're not paying, if he works 3.5 hours, you're not going to give him money for 3 hours, then half of an hour. You're going to pay for an entire 4 hours, which results into that being discrete.